Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to download Kali Linux into VMware as a virtual machine. So, first we go to VMware.com, go to products, scroll to Workstation Players and a desktop hypervisor. Scroll on Workstation Player and click Download for free. Download it, just go through the yes, 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 yes. No specific settings you need, just get it downloaded. Then go to Kali.org, scroll down, download, click the download button. Yes, 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 through there. Okay, now for Kali, you're going to need a zip unzipper. So you can go to 7-zip, click on 7-zip, or just click the download. Download, more than likely you're on Windows. So click that download link. Yes, 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 through there. Okay. And then once it's downloaded, you go to you go to your file and you unzip it there. Okay. Using 7-zip. Then after that, you go to your VMware, you open up a new file, you navigate to where you have the Kali, the unzipped Kali, the only one that you can select in the Kali folder. Click it, click, 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 and you have it in your virtual machine as a virtual machine. And you're able to go in there and play around with some stuff. The password should be password and password. Just let's see. Documentation. So, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.